Suzuki genuine parts, Yamaha, Kawasaki genuine parts, 30-40 years old, in the original box. The dusty ones. They have 1.8 million Honda parts in stock. 1.8 million. Honda Fireblade, number 2. I have no words. So this is not a shop. These are not for sale. This is all just private collection. Private collection. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another very exciting video, because this one is a little bit special. Anyway, I'm running totally late, so we gotta hurry up, and let's head over to CMS, Consolidated Motorcycle Spare Parts, Japanese stuff. Gonna like that one. Anyway, see you guys in a second. Woo. Yeah. Now, do you guys have any idea how fast you can actually drive in the Netherlands? It's only 100 kilometers an hour. Or 65 miles an hour. This is just ridiculous, look at that. So yeah, we are going on a tour. Yet again, Motomyrt. Always laughing. So we're going on a tour. Engines. Suzuki genuine parts. Yamaha, Kawasaki genuine parts. 30-40 years old. In the original box. So it turns out there's like 3 warehouses here. We got the slow moving parts, probably like 40-50 year old parts that not a lot of people need every day. These are the parts that are not needed to be cooled. And then we got the 3rd warehouse that's like more the bulk, the fast movers. A little bit of the new stuff. But damn, this old stuff is like, god dang. It smells old. I found a KTM sticker. Look at that. This place is crazy. This is a lot of parts. Original Honda. Fender set. Made in Mexico fender set. Honda genuine parts. The dusty ones. The dusty ones are most of the time the good ones. God dang it. I just stumbled upon this box. A Kawasaki crankcase from '62. I wandered off the group. I found a Honda snow thrower. Anybody has any idea what a Honda snow thrower is? Let me know in the comments, but I got no idea. Found the group again, and old Japanese stuff. 3 million parts in stock. 24 kilometers of shelves with original old Honda, Suzuki, Kawasaki, Yamaha and Ducati parts. 24 kilometers. That's, I have no idea how many miles, but a lot. So I don't really know whose bike that is, but that bike is from...
Jonathan Rea from the World Superbike. 7-time world champion.
I don't follow him, but seems to be somebody... He's pretty good, he's pretty cool.
Set of like fairings or something, it's mental. But there's obviously a new bike still on the crate.
Anyway, back to some more shelves. Like I said, 3 million products, 24 kilometers of shelves. That's a lot.
It's a lot of walking.
It's a lot of walking. And a deep drop over here as well, look at that. Just casually finding Terminioni, Ducati exhaust over here. So this is probably the only place in the world that you could actually bump your head on 67-year-old handlebars. Yeah. So if you guys are already liking this, wait until the end, because we're going to one of the best, probably nicest collections of a lot of cool motorcycles. And maybe cars, I'm not really sure. Is there cars?
Yes, there's cars there as well. Some cars.
There's cars. We got cars, motorcycle, and if you can see all these parts, you guys are gonna like the end. Michael Buttinger just said they have 1.8 million Honda parts in stock. 1.8 million.
Die bakjes in zit voor de
Who knows this one? Yeah, that is one sketchy trike. Yeah. That thing killed a lot of people. Maybe not killed, I don't know. Everybody using these NGKs? Original Honda spark plugs. Originals.
Maar jullie moeten vandaag foto's schieten of wat?
Wheels. Those are a lot of wheels. Anyway. So I was looking for an FVA cruiser for in Belgium. I just wanted one before my Suzuki Jimny. I could not find one. He has 3 brand new ones. 3 brand new FJ cruisers.
Ja, maar hij heeft daar zelf, reken maar niks aan.
Anybody see the movie Man in Black? That's a real one. That's not a replica. That was actually used in the movie Men in Black. Does anybody has like a 30, 40, 50-year-old motorcycle in a crate? Probably not. This guy has a couple. Right over here we got something else that is pretty special. Honda Fireblade number 2. The first 10 Fireblades ever, 1991, 1992, were hand built. This is the second one. He drove 60,000 kilometers with it.
Sato, Villeneuve.
Got a brand new Kawasaki 125 over here. God dang it. Got a brand new Elsinore 125. Look at that.
Nou ja, het is een soort van afwijking die ik heb. Ik vind het leuk om een beetje met onderdeeltjes.
Uit van de andere kant. Dus dit is uit.
So yeah, not only do we got world super bikes over here, we got Dakar bikes, we got a lot of Japanese stuff over here. I will show you guys in a second. Yeah, the most of it is just all Japanese. We got a lot of crate stuff, brand new bikes into the crate. We got especially asked to open this row right over here, because you got a lot of these. Small ones. I really like the small ones. I have no words. So this is not a shop. These are not for sale. This is all just private collection. Private collection. Oh, we also got a Honda CC 110 on the side.
Ik weet nog goed dat ik die twee dingen. Vaak niet bij mij. Als je binnenkomt, heb je dit? Heb je dat? Maak een lijst als je wat te doen is.
And now I can of course not wait until I get my Honda CT 125. It is coming. It is in a container. It is brand new and it is coming to Belgium. So yeah, this is private collection. Private collection.
Dat heette de NS57, dat was een CX500 blok, die hebben ze gedraaid en hebben ze opgeboord. De CX-blok, zeker. Ja.
Nou, dat weet ik van die jongens die de Honda kennen.
In het buitenland is gaan racen. Dus op de Isle of Man zijn ze hiermee gaan rijden.
Oh, die begint daar,
Buiten
weet ik
Japan.
nog. Of tenminste weet ik nog, ik ken de historie een beetje.
Dus die is volledig weer.
Die mannen zoals die bijrijden, dan half crossen, Piquet.
Weer daarvoor, zoals een 125 en dit is een 200. De eerste weggever van Yamaha. En echt samen
Remember the box before, the snow plower? I found it.
Ja, toen zag ik een paar zo verdwenen, weet je, als het gaat.
Oh my. So yeah, that was our absolutely fantastic day at CMS. Consolidated Motor
Spares.
Consolidated Motor Spares. Yeah, that's a kind of hard name. Really want to thank all of these guys and girls, of course, for the tour. Really enjoyed it, and there's still some drool against my mouth. Anyway, yet again, thanks for the invite. That is Motomyrt. So I will put the link yet again over here. So if any girls or even men are watching, Motomyrt. Anyway, see you guys in the next one. Peace. Drive safe.